Today we're going to bring a Galaxy Ultra 23. This is for the new phones if you own one. Love the actual see-through part of the actual case itself. Green, it's a little green, metallic green, if you guys can see. Has functions for all the function buttons, the volume, and then the power also. And then on the bottom, you're going to have access to your pen, and also access to the actual to power it up, and actually the speakers and the mic. So very simple. I mean, look at it, has a bunch of different sets for every single part of your camera. It has this little part that I like, which is the kickstand, which is great. It stands your phone very awesome. And of course, you can have your mic settings on the top. So I do own one, and this is the old one. Didn't give me too much protection. If you guys can see, the compared to the old one, doesn't have a kickstand or anything else. Everything's pretty much secure in there, but it's just wasn't working for me because of the kickstand, and it's not very solid like this one. This is more flimsy. This is a lot solid. It's more sturdy. So I do have a phone, and we're going to see how well it fits in here. And if you guys see, you have access to all this stuff on your phone. So this needs to be accessed to, it has to be accessed on the bottom of it. The only thing you're going to be blocking now is, of course, the SIM card, right? And that's always a natural thing. It's best so you could keep it secure. So once you set it up in here, I'm going to show you guys how to just set it up. Just pretty much just lock it in place. And that's pretty much it. Now you have access to your cameras. You could clean them out. Before I wasn't able to do that, and it was getting dusty in there. Crumbles and other stuff that you put in your pocket, it goes in there, and it was very difficult because it was interfering with the camera itself. In this case, I could just completely clear it out. Now I do have the kickstand here, and the kickstand, look at that, I could go any angle. If I want to do a side angle like that, so you could watch movies or anything else, or if you're doing a TikTok or movie, or you're going to do filming, look at that. Side angle profile is really neat. I like this part of it. It also works for any kind of magnetic objects that you need to lock into. This actually applies to that. If you have one of those hard adapters that is magnetic, you could set it up in there. A lot of these things come with rings, just like the iPhone. You're no longer need it because you have something there that you could attach to. So metallic, beautiful colors. If you guys can see that, I'm gonna spin it around for you guys to see how it looks. So this is Samsung Galaxy Ultra 23. Samsung Galaxy Ultra 23. Look at that. Beautiful. Very simple to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.